Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best door reinforcer is probably one of the most important investments you can make to protect your home or business. This video will not only review the top-rated door reinforcers on the market but also guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing the right one for your specific needs, ensuring you select a product that effectively enhances your security and peace of mind. Number 5. Primeline U10827 Door Lock. This door reinforcement lock significantly strengthens your home's security. It's designed to withstand immense force, keeping intruders out and your family safe. Installation is a breeze. The included screws make it quick and simple to add an extra layer of protection to your door. Check out the helpful installation video. This lock provides additional security for any swing-in door, regardless of thickness. It helps prevent unauthorized entry from the outside. The spring-loaded design allows for high placement, keeping it out of children's reach. Plus, its robust construction resists tampering and forced entry. Pre-drill holes using a 1/8-inch drill bit for the screws. Avoid using maximum torque to prevent damage. Mortising may be needed depending on your door. For easier operation, consider pairing it with the MP108278 high-security finger pull. It's the perfect complement to this lock. What we like. It can withstand 800 pounds of force, making it very difficult to kick in. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. Plus, its tamper-resistant design adds an extra layer of security for your family. If you're looking for quick and easy installation with high security, this is the one for you. What people say. It was an excellent product to secure your entrance door. It was very easy to install to protect your home from burglars. The metal material is thick, and after locking it, I was unable to open the door, no matter how hard I tried, which is a nice sense of security to have. It is quite easy to use, but honestly it could be easier. The door closes easily with it on. Number 4. CRANACH Security Door Lock. It can withstand 800 pounds of force, 12 times stronger than a standard deadbolt. This makes it ideal for reinforcing your home's security, providing peace of mind against forced entry. The spring-loaded design keeps children safe. Install it high on the door, out of their reach, to prevent them from opening the door to strangers. Installation is a breeze. Use a power screwdriver and drill to mount it on your door frame in under 5 minutes. 2 screw lengths are included for a perfect fit. It's easy to use. Just slide it away from the base plate and pull outward. No tools are needed, only a little practice. It's also easy to open in an emergency. We stand behind our product with a 5-year warranty. Buy with confidence, knowing we'll do everything to resolve any issues until you're completely satisfied. What we like. This lock can withstand 800 pounds of force, providing superior protection against forced entry. The child-proof design offers added peace of mind for parents. It's also incredibly easy to install, making it a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts. If you need a child-proof and easy-to-install option, this is perfect for you. What people say. This sleek and modern lock not only adds to the decor theme of my home, but it also provides an unparalleled level of protection that gives me peace of mind. One of the standout features of this lock is its sturdy construction, which ensures that the door remains firmly shut. Unlike some other locks that allow a slight opening of about 2 inches, this door reinforcement lock eliminates any possibility of the door budging even a fraction. Easy to install and seems very sturdy. I now hear a slight thud coming from the front door and I smile. The sound of the door hitting the unit. A nice padded area also keeps the door from being harmed, which is nice because you will do it a few times forgetting it's there. It's very sturdy and I could tell when I opened the package. It's fully made out of metal and the white matches my door frames. It fit on a door inside of my house. I did have some wiggle room on how my door is placed, but it's so thin the only way it wouldn't fit would be if your doors isn't straight and is hard to close already. Safety, it helps keep my little animals out of food they don't need to get into. And it's super easy to use, all you have to do is pull it and it unlocks and you just shut it to close it. Number 3. Door Armor Max Kit. It was proven on national television. A reinforced door withstood a forceful kick-in attempt, unlike an unprotected one. See for yourself how it provides superior protection. This kit has everything you need for enhanced security: jam shield, mini door shields, hinge shields, screws, and a drill bit. Simple and complete for a secure installation. It's made from 16-gauge galvannealed steel with a powder coating for superior corrosion resistance. The high-quality, hardened steel screws are designed for lasting protection. Supporting American manufacturing and veterans, it's built to last a lifetime. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. It's the original multi-point door security solution, trusted by hundreds of thousands. It's a proven solution for home security. Securing your doors is the first step in home defense. It provides that crucial time to react to a threat. It also repairs damaged jams. Installation is quick and easy. You only need a cordless drill. Get superior protection in just half an hour. What we like. This multi-point locking system reinforces multiple points on your door frame for ultimate security. Made from heavy-duty steel, it offers superior durability and protection. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, giving you long-term peace of mind. If you want the most robust and long-lasting protection, this is the best choice. What people say. Installation was relatively straightforward and trouble-free. I would say this job requires basic handyman skills. Once installed, the only thing that can be seen from outside with the door closed is the pieces that go over the edge of the door to protect the lock sets. This truly secured my door. There isn't any give on it at all. I feel very secure. Number 2. ZZem Screw Door Repair Kit. Are your doors difficult to close? It might be loose screws. This kit makes fixing them a breeze. Say goodbye to frustrating door problems. This simple kit gets your doors working smoothly in just minutes. It comes with everything you need except a drill. You'll find the right drill bit, screws, and bits for a perfect fit. This versatile kit works on door hinges, deadbolt plates, and more. It's perfect for various home repairs. It installs deep into the door frame for superior strength and security. This helps prevent forced entry. This product was created by a U.S. Navy veteran, ensuring quality and durability you can trust. What we like. This kit easily repairs stripped screw holes, strengthening your door frame. It reinforces the door frame for improved security against forced entry. Installation is quick and easy, taking only about 3 minutes. If you have a sagging door or stripped screws, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This was so easy to figure out and fix the striped screw holes in my broken door hinge. It took me 5 minutes and is a solid fix. This is my second time ordering these for door in my home. They are brilliant. Yes, they are not cheap, but they come with everything one needs, provided you own a drill, and do exactly what you need. It could not be easier to install. The brass inserts are internally threaded to accept the provide, be them standard, hinge screws. They went in super smooth and hold tight. I know the instructions say that this is primarily for a wooden door, but I decided to try it on a hollow metal door that was about 30 years old. I installed it just as instructed in just a couple of minutes, and it's fixed my problem door hopefully for many years. This saved me a lot of grief and time and possibly replacing a door. Very easy to use and install, very durable results. Number 1. Primeline U9585 Door Reinforcer. This door reinforcer adds a layer of security to your home by strengthening your door's weakest point. It helps prevent forced entry and keeps your family safe. It's built to last with a strong stainless steel design. The sleek finish complements any door style. Installation is quick and easy, all the necessary hardware is included. You'll have it securely mounted in minutes. Designed for 1 to 3/8-inch thick doors, it features a standard bore size. Please check the dimensions to ensure it's the right fit for your door. It's suitable for metal, fiberglass, and wood doors. Use it to reinforce existing locks or repair damaged ones. Before purchasing, please refer to the included diagram to ensure it matches your door specifications. It's not a universal fit. What we like. It reinforces the weak points of your door, preventing forced entry. Made of durable stainless steel, it's built to last. Installation is quick and simple, requiring minimal effort. If you need a simple, yet effective way to reinforce your door, this is a great option. What people say. This reinforcement plate is made of high quality and strong steel, milling and fitting are excellent, very easy to install. Makes my door safe again. The metal is tough to drill through, which is good, it's heavy duty. This works perfectly. I didn't even have to fill in a chunk of missing wood between the handle and the door edge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.